Hey guys, it's time to eat again. This seafood paella is sure not to disappoint, and is easily done in one pan. Prepare the vegetables for a sofrito by chopping an onion, a bell pepper, and a tomato into a medium dice. Mince 2 garlic cloves as well. The sofrito will be equal parts of onion, bell pepper, and tomato. Chop 1 chorizo sausage into bite-sized pieces. Add a generous amount of oil to the large skillet you have. This helps carry the flavors as you build layers throughout the dish. Sauté the chorizo to brown it and draw out its oils and flavor. Set the chorizo aside, then sauté the sofrito. On medium-high heat, place the onions in for 2 minutes to caramelize. Then the red bell peppers in for another 2 minutes. Add the tomatoes in and cook for another 2 minutes. Then reduce the heat to medium. Make a well in the middle of the pan and add the garlic to brown for 3 minutes and let the flavors come together. Remove the sofrito and set aside. On high heat, sear the cuttlefish for 1 minute, then remove it from the pan. Add the sofrito, chorizo, smoked paprika, and bomba rice. Stir and let the ingredients incorporate for 2 minutes. Add in the chicken broth, fish stock, saffron, and salt. You may substitute all chicken broth if fish stock is not available. Here's where you're going to want to infuse the flavors into the rice. So this is the best time to adjust your seasoning. We used approximately half a teaspoon of salt. Simmer for 12 minutes, then add the clams on top. Then 3 minutes later, add the mussels and shrimp. Another 3 minutes later, let the rice cuddle the cuttlefish. The clams and mussels should open up around the same time, and the shrimp will slightly curl as the stock absorbs into the rice. Discard any unopened shellfish and garnish with rosemary, sliced lemon, and olive oil. Let the paella rest to develop the crispy rice at the bottom, also known as a sokara. And it's all done! A super easy paella swimming with seafood and overflowing with flavor from the chorizo and sofrito. Hit that like button if you want to see more, and if you want to see an easy appetizer for this paella meal, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when that video is uploaded. We'll catch you in the next one when it's time to eat again.